Welcome back to this quick Ryobi drill tutorial, and in this one I'm going to show you how to drill a straight hole with a Ryobi drill. Now I'm going to show you how to do it vertically and horizontally. So let's say you're drilling against a wall. When you're behind the drill, it's quite easy to get your left and right accurate because you're right behind the drill. However, the up and down element of the drill is pretty hard to judge, and this is where a scrap piece of wood placed on the wall and lean your drill against it will allow you to drill a straight hole. You just need that left and right sorted and you'll be good to go. Now, you may have noticed this is a wood drill. Don't use a wood drill on masonry. However, that's one way of getting a straight hole when you're drilling on a vertical wall. That scrap piece of wood will keep your drill straight from up and down direction. You just need to get the left and right spot on, which is pretty easy when you're behind the drill. But what if you're drilling vertical, as we see here? You can go wrong in any direction, but with a little practice it is achievable. This is where one of these drill guard comes in. You do need to make sure it matches the drill size, as you can see mine does here. You can then put it onto the wood and you will not be able to move the drill in any direction. It'll keep the drill nice and straight and you'll then be able to drill a nice straight hole. You can drill up and down until you're part way through. Then with the hole made, you should be able to remove the drill guard, and then that should keep the drill bit nice and straight like that. But don't forget, you do need a drill guide for the drill size that you're using. If you're after perfectly straight holes, a drill guide is what you're after. So hopefully them two methods show you how to drill a straight hole with a Ryobi drill.